All right, Point Nation, today I want to take you through one of the pours that I did where I made a ton of mistakes. I want to point out all of those mistakes, show you why they were mistakes and what happened, and then at the end, I happened to get a painting that I really like, which is not uncommon with acrylic paint pouring because these paintings have a mind of their own. So in this case, the first thing I did is I mixed my glue and my water to my 70% glue, 30% water ratio, and I shook it up, which is a huge no-no. Because when you shake that up, you get a ton of teeny tiny bubbles, and it takes days for those to get out. But I wanted to do a pour today, so I still poured. And then I made too much paint for my 12 by 24 slate tile that I have. And then I put too much silicone in a couple of my paints because I used the big silicone head instead of the small needle-like one that I normally do. And last but not least, I used a color that I really have not liked in the past. And again, it looked like it was going to be bad in this pour. But in the end, it's one of my favorite paintings so far. Let's walk through all of these problems and let me show you the end result, which was surprising even to me.